Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita is directly spoken by the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Sri Krishna, when he was present personally on this planet for the guidance of mankind. Here, the topics discussed by Dhritarashtra and Sanjaya. The word Dharmakshetra, a place where religious rituals are performed, is significant because on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, the Supreme Personality of Godhead was present on the side of Arjuna. Dhritarashtra, the father of the Kurus, was highly doubtful about the possibility of his son's ultimate victory. In his doubt, he inquired from his secretary Sanjaya, "What did my sons and the sons of Pandu do?" He was confident that both his sons and the sons of his younger brother Pandus were assembled in the field of Kurukshetra for a determined engagement of the war. Still, his inquiry is significant. He didn't want to compromise between the cousins and brothers, and he wanted to be sure of the fate of his sons on the battlefield. Because the battle was arranged to be fought at Kurukshetra, which is mentioned elsewhere in the Vedas as a place of worship, even for the denizens of heaven. Dhritarashtra became very fearful about the influence of the holy place on the outcome of the battle. He knew very well that this would influence Arjuna and the sons of Pandu favorably, because by nature they were all virtuous. Sanjaya was a student of Vyasa, and therefore, by the mercy of Vyasa, Sanjaya was able to envision the battlefield of Kurukshetra even while he was in the room of Dhritarashtra. And so, Dhritarashtra asked him about the situation on the battlefield. Both the Pandavas and the sons of Dhritarashtra belongs to the same family. But Dhritarashtra's mind is disclosed herein. He deliberately claimed only his son as gurus, and he separated the sons of Pandu from the family heritage. One can thus understand the specific position of Dhritarashtra in his relationship with his nephews. The sons of Pandu, as in the paddy field of the unnecessary plants are taken out. So it is expected from the very beginning of this topic that in the religious field of Kurukshetra, where the father of religion, Sri Krishna, was present, the unwanted plants like Dhritarashtra's son Duryodhana and other would be wiped out, and the thoroughly religious persons headed by Yudhishthira would be established by the Lord. This is significance of the words Dharmakshetra and Kurukshetra apart from their historical and Vedic importance. Bhagavad Gita